Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are having a good time. Today we are going to draw an object using AutoCAD software, and we are going to use the AutoCAD 2007 version. So here in the screen you can see that there is a object in the top right corner. So we can see the 3D wireframe of that object. So there is a top view in the top left corner and a side view in the bottom left corner. So there is a hollow section or circular section of 1.640 feet, and if we see the side view we can see that in the left side the height of a straight vertical line is 6.562 feet, and in the right side the height of the vertical line is 3.280 feet. And again, after going 6.562 feet upward, we can see a straight horizontal line of 4.921 feet, and there is an inclined or sloped line between the horizontal and the straight vertical line. So we can also see the section of that circle. Again, if we go to the top portion, we can see that the length of that object is 9.843 feet and the width is 2 feet. So first of all, we are going to draw the side view following the same measurements, and we are also going to show the measurements like this, and we are going to know how to set up all the units in AutoCAD and then how to draw it and how to show this kind of dimensions like 3.280 feet and other dimensions as well. So this is a very basic drawing, but after practicing this or following this video we are going to learn the basic concept of AutoCAD. So now I am going to start AutoCAD drawing. So first of all, we need to install AutoCAD 2007. Here in the video description I am providing a drive link to download and install AutoCAD 2007. There will be three .net or netfx file which is to be installed first, and then we need to just follow some a video guideline to successfully install AutoCAD 2007. So after opening AutoCAD 2007, we will see that there will be a new features workshop option. So we are going to click on maybe later and then press on OK. So this kind of interface will be appeared, and there are some options in the top left corner like file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, draw, dimension, modify. These are the options there. So from those options, first of all, what we need to do, we need to go to the view option and then go to 3D view option, then select top. Again, go to view option, then go to visual styles, then select 2D wireframe. Again, go to view option, then go to display option and turn off the origin option. So after doing this, we need to go to the tools option and then go to options. Okay, so after going to the options, there will be several options to set up the whole AutoCAD software. First of all, there will be files where we are actually want to uh, save the file. Again, there will be display option. So in display option there are several other options, but we are going to work with the colors. Select colors and then select white or black or any color. So I want a white background, that's why I will select white. Otherwise I can select black. If I select black, what will happen? Just press on apply and close. So you can see the whole interface has been turned into black. So again, if I want to just go to the previous white color, just select the color and then press on apply and close. So this is it, and then just go to open and save option. So what I actually want to say is that there are a lot of options, but you can just customize it in your own way. So I am pressing or checking the automatic save option and providing 1 minute auto save. So there are some options like plot and publish, so you can work on those things as well. So there are some options like user preferences. So if you want to just change your cursor point, you can just do it here. So after checking all the options, you can just press on apply, then OK. So after doing this, you can just go to the formats option. So going to the format option, first of all click on units, then provide the length type as engineering, then precision as feet inch, then angle type as degree minute second, and precision same as there, and then units to scale inserted content will be in inches. So this is it, just press on OK. So this is actually the drawing units on which we are actually going to work on. So in this case we are actually going to draw in feet or inch, so that's why we are selecting all these options here. So if you want different options like decimal in millimeter or meter, then you can select all other options like decimal and others. So this is it, press on OK. After doing this, again go to format, then go to text style. So you can choose your own text style, whatever you are going to write in there, you can just select your own style. So here I am just selecting Times New Roman. So just press on there and press on T, then go to Times New Roman or other options, you can find it in there. And font style is regular, but you can choose other options. Again, height, so I want to provide a height of 8 inch. So this is it, just press on apply. Again go to the format option, then go to dimension style. So this dimension is style is actually what actually our drawing is going to show us whenever we are actually drawing. So there is a preview of the drawing, so just press on modify. So after clicking on modify, you can see this kind of options like lines, symbols and arrows, text, then primary units, alternate units, tolerances. These are the options there. So first of all, you can just press on line. So there are some lines that will be shown whenever we are actually going to draw it in the drawing sheet. So first of all, just select the color as bilayer, line type by layer, line weight by layer. Then even the extension lines can be selected as by layer. So you can just select all these things as by layer. So what is actually by layer or layer? We are actually going to learn it later. Again, if you want to work with the other options, you can just work on those. And then symbol and arrows. After going to the symbol and arrows, uh, we are going to see this kind of options. So one is arrowhead and another one is arrow size and other options as well. So in this case, what are actually symbol and arrows? These are the lines or dimension lines which are actually going to be shown when we want to show the dimensions. Okay, so here you can see the dimension is 53.133. So this is the dimension, and whenever we are actually showing the dimension, there will be some arrowheads. So we can change the arrowhead, like we can select architectural tick. So here I'm selecting right angle, is it, and even you can provide the arrow size. So I am providing the arrow size as 4.5 inch. So you can see there are some arrowheads that are shown here. So whenever you are changing anything here, you will show a it will show a preview of what you want to show in your drawing. And then go to the text option, and then similarly select the text style that you have already provided, and again text color as by layer, fill color will be none, and the text height. So you can provide the text height as 7 inch for now. We can change it later anytime. So this is it. And then go to the primary units option. This is an important option because we need to change the dimension format here as well. So here we are going to provide the dimension format as engineering, same as before. So this is it. Here it is degree seconds, and all other things are okay for now. And then you can also use alternate unit. If you check the alternate unit, there will be two units. First one is the primary unit, and second one is in the other units like millimeter or meters. So I'm just taking it or making it off for now. I don't need it. So if you want to show other alternate units, you can show it here as well. So this is it, and then press on OK. So after doing this, you can see a preview here, but what you need to do, you must need to press on set current. After setting up all the primary units and other things here, press on set current and click on close. So this is it. So our formatting is almost done. Now we can start our drawing, but before starting our drawing, we need to do another thing, like we want to draw in a page of large size, because whenever we are drawing, we need a large interface area where the whole drawing will be covered. So for this, we need to go to the drawing limits option, and then we want to just provide the page limit. So you already know that in case of A4 page, the size is fixed, is like 11 inch by 8 inch, something like that. So here we want a large page or interface. So you can just provide like 1000 or 10,000 feet first of all, and again write 10,000 feet or something like that, random value. So press on enter in your keyboard and then just press on enter. So this is it. So now we can start our drawing, but before starting our drawing we need to have some idea about the tools that we need to use first of all for this kind of basic drawing. So in the left or right side you can see some options like line, construction line, polyline, then polygon. These are some options there, and again there's some options like multi-line text, then single line text. All these are options in there, and again there are some options like linear, aligned, arc length. So there are some options similarly, and again bring to front, stand to back. These kind of options are there, and again in the right side you can see that there is an erase option, copy, mirror, offset, array, move, rotate, scale, stretch, trim, extend, break at point, break, join, chamfer, fillet, explode. So if I want to just move it from here to there, how we can do it? Just click on the two straight lines in the top of those tools. Just press on it and you can just move it from one side to another side or anywhere you want. So I'm just providing it in there. So you can see I have just provided all the tools in the left side. So if you can't see this kind of options, what you need to do, just go to the top right corner and press on the right button of your mouse. Then you're going to see options like AutoCAD. Then after going to AutoCAD, just check all these options: dimension, draw, order, layers, modify, properties, standard, styles, text, workspaces. So just put tick mark on these options. So after just selecting all these options, you are going to see this kind of tools obviously, and in the bottom side you can see there is a command or comment option. So whatever you are going to just provide in your drawing, that command will be shown here. And again in the bottom side you are going to show this kind of options like snap, grid, ortho, polar, or snap, or track, ducks, dine. These kind of options are there. Model. So just click on the ortho option, then OSNAP option. So other options should also be clicked like this. Unclick the grid option. We don't need these options right now. Just press on ortho, OSNAP, or track, and these other options as well. If you can't see these options similar to the previous way, just click on the right button of your mouse, then you can just check that option that you want to show it in here. So right now we can just start our drawing. So as our drawing or side view of that object says that we need to provide a baseline of 9.843 feet or 3 meter, a straight vertical line of 6.562 feet in the left side, and then after going 6.562 feet above, we need to go 4.921 feet horizontally on the right side. Again, after providing the baseline of 9.843 feet, we need to go 3.280 feet upward. So after drawing these lines, we are going to join these lines by another line like this, which is which will be the inclined line in our case. And then we need to provide a circle of 1.640 feet radius. So the position of our circle is 3.280 feet above the object of the baseline and 4.921 feet parallel from the right side. So first of all, we are going to provide the line. So going to the interface, just select or click on line. Then whenever you are going to come to the interface, you can see that there is a command like specify first point. So I need to specify the first point. Just left click on any point on that interface. So we want to go 9.843 feet horizontally, which will be the baseline of our drawing here. So just move the cursor in that direction and write 9.843 feet. After writing it, just click on enter of your mouse. So you can see that the line is being drawn, but you can't just zoom out sometime. You can zoom out and you can see the whole line. The line has crossed our interface. So what we need to do to see the line, just press on escape button of your laptop or desktop, then write Z, enter, A, enter. So after doing this, just zoom out so you can see the line. Okay, now it's clear. So we want to continue this line. In the left side, it is 6.562 feet. So just again go to the line option. After going to the line option, come to the interface, and whenever you are coming to the above the line, previous line, you can see this kind of boxes which is actually showing the end point. Okay, so if you just go to the right side, you can see there is a midpoint of that line. Again, if you go to the end point in the right side, there will be another box. So this kind of boxes will be shown. If you can't see this kind of options or boxes, just go to the OSNAP option. Just click on the OSNAP option, make it on, and then if even if you can't see those options, just right click on OSNAP and then go to settings, then press on select all, then press on OK. So after coming to that line, just select that point. So we want to go 6.562 feet upward. We want to draw a line in there. So just write 6.562 feet enter. So there is a line, and again we want to go 4.921 feet horizontally in the right side. So just move the cursor in there in that direction and then write 4.921 feet. After doing this, just press on the escape button of your on your keyboard, and again press on line, or you can just right click on your mouse and press on repeat line. So after doing this, just se select the endpoint in the right side and go 3.280 feet upward. So we want a line of 3.28 feet, and then press on enter. So you can see this kind of line will be drawn in there, and then go 1.5 feet in the left side. So 1.5 feet in the left side, and then sorry, just go to the left side and go to the top end point of that horizontal line. Just go on that end point and move your cursor downward. So you can see a cross point in the bottom side. Whenever you can see that kind of cross point, just press on the left button of your mouse. So this kind of a straight line will be drawn. So if you can't just draw this kind of straight lines, keep your ortho mode on. Okay, so then just selecting the other endpoint, you'll be able to draw this kind of lines, joining one line with another line. So this is a overall dimension of our drawing, but we need to show the inclined line as well. So if you want to show the inclined line, again go press on the repeat line option or go to the line option, then select one endpoint of that upper horizontal line and one end of that bottom horizontal line. So you can see there is a inclined line that is being drawn. So right now we want to show the circular section in there of 1.640 feet radius. So to draw that circle, what we need to do, we need to click on the radius or diameter option. So we want to draw a circle first of all. So select on the circle option. Okay, circle. Then come to that interface. So you can see there is a command like specify center point for circle. So we can just specify the center point. The center point is in here. Then it will ask for the radius. The radius of our circle is 1.640 feet. So the circle is also being drawn. So our overall drawing is done, but we want to show the dimensions and we want to show this all the lines and dimensions in different colors. So how we can do it? We can work on the layer options here to show different colors. and to draw the lines and other things in different colors. So there is only one color right now, but we want several options like this. So just go to the layer properties manager, and after going to the layer properties manager, you can see this kind of options, but we are not going to use all the options right now. Just press on the new layer option. Every time you press on that new layer option, one single layer will be created. So we want to name our first layer as line, and the color will be blue. And again, we want to name our second layer as text, and we want to color that text as in some magenta color or something like that, or even you can choose the deep green color. Again, if you want to provide another layer, just click one time there and name it like dimension, and just select the color. I want to select a fade color, or even you can just go to the true color and other options as well to specify the density of that color. So this is it. So you are not going to press on other options like on, freeze, lock. All these options should be similar like this in the screen. Again, I want to show my circle in different color, so I can do it in a similar manner. So this is it. So if you want to delete one layer, just click on it and click on delete layer. So after doing this, you must press on apply, then OK. So this is it. So I want to change my line color, and I want to, so to do this, just select the lines. So if you can't see an option like uh, selecting all the lines one by one, what you need to do, just press on shift option button of your keyboard and select the lines. So after this, just selecting all the lines, just go to the layer option and then select line. So the color is being changed. You can also see that there is option like by layer, in which the color is being changed automatically. And again, if you want to change the color of your circle, just put it on another layer. So I want to delete the unnecessary lines. So this is it. This is the drawing. Now we can show the dimensions of our drawing. So to do that, I am selecting the dimension option from the layer and then go to linear option from here. After going to the linear or clicking on the linear option, just select the endpoints of the line of which you want to show the dimension. So I am selecting the first endpoint and the second endpoint, and there is the dimension that is being shown here, 6 feet 7 inch. Similarly, do the same things for other lines as well. So you can just press on the right button of your mouse and click on repeat linear as well. So again, if you want to the radius, show the radius of your circle or diameter of your circle, just go to the radius options in there, and after going to the interface, it is asking to select the arc or circle. So I'm selecting the circle, and then it will show the radius of that circle. Okay. Even if you want to show the diameter, you can also show it in the similar manner. So this is the diameter. So this is it. So again, if you want to show your dimensions in different color, you can also do it. Just go to the format option, then dimension style, and then go to the modify, and then just press on alternate unit. So you can see the alternate unit in here. Unit format is decimal, multiplier is 25.4, so it will be shown in millimeter in here. Okay, so again, so here the multiplier is being provided as 25.4, so I want to show the alternate unit in meter. So we know 1 feet is equal to 0.3048. So again, if you want to show your alternate unit in millimeter, just provide 25.4, because we already know that 1 inch is equals 25.4 meter. Again, I need to work with the text overall size, so I need to go to the format option again, then just go to the dimension style, then press on modify. So there is a mistake in alternate unit, so we need to provide the value as 0.0254. So 1 inch is equal to 0.0254 meters. So just do it in there and go to the text option and resize your text if it is necessary. So I am providing it as 3.5 in here, and again the text color, I am changing the text color. It should be in by block. I want a clear text color. Just press on OK, and obviously you need to click on set current, then apply close. So you can see the overall changes are being shown in here. So again, you can see that the text size height is a bit large. So again, go to the format option, then text style, select it as 4 inch, apply, and then close. Again go to the format option and dimension style, then modify, then provide the text as 2 inch. Okay, set current, close. So you can see the text sizes are being changed, and again we can see two alternate units, but there is a option, there is a problem with the text color. You can also change it going to the format and then dimension style and then modify, and just provide the color as black. The things are okay. Set current, close. Okay, so this our overall drawing and the dimension idea. So if you want to show your dimension text aligned with the line, dimension line, just to go to the format option, then dimension style, and then click on modify, and then go to text and press on aligned with dimension line and press on OK, then set current, then close. So you can see overall changes in there. So this is our overall drawing. Now we want to print this drawing. So to print this drawing, just go to the file option, then press on plot, or you can just press Ctrl and P button. Also you can save your drawing, just going to the file and save option and press on the save, or just press on Ctrl S button of your PC. So I'm going to save it first, so I can save it anywhere in any folder. So just name it in your own way. So it is a DWG file, that which is the AutoCAD file. So every time you want to work on AutoCAD, just save it as cat1 or anything you want to name it in your own way. So the .dwg file is the AutoCAD file, and you can continue drawing in that file. Just save it. So after saving it, each time you complete your drawing or anytime, you can just press on Ctrl S button to save it after completing your drawing. So if you want to print this drawing, just press on Ctrl and P. So after pressing the Ctrl P button, or just going to the file, then plot option, you can see this kind of option in there. So first of all, you need to choose your printer. I am selecting the Microsoft Print to PDF default printer, and then choose the paper size as A4. Then click on the center the plot, and also you need to select the plot area. So go to the what to plot option and click on the window option. So after coming to the window option, just press on your mouse from one side and go to the another side, and just click on another time. So after doing this, just press on OK. So you need to save your work somewhere. Also, you can just name it in the similar manner. So after naming your file and in PDF, then save it in your folder. So we have just printed our drawing. We can just close it, and if you want to see your PDF, so our drawing and printing the drawing is done. So after doing it, you can just work on any drawing in the similar manner.